And we are starting off your 6 o'clock news hour with breaking news. In the last couple of hours, News 19 has learned that 2 teenagers are wanted for escaping DJJ custody. Please take a moment, whatever you're doing, and look up at your screen. SLED tells News 19 that 18-year-old Malachi Ussery and 17-year-old Robert Bissonnette escaped Three Rivers Behavioral Health back on August 28th. SLED says Ussery does have a violent criminal history. So we have a lot of questions tonight, and our News 19's Chris English has been out trying to get answers. Chris, what is the latest on these 2?
Well, Andrea, as you mentioned, a lot of questions now. SLED has issued that a public safety awareness alert regarding these 2 males who they say escaped from the Three Rivers Behavioral Health Midlands in Lexington County. Now, Ussery is an 18-year-old from Columbia who says SLED says has a violent criminal history, while Bissonnette is a 17-year-old from Anderson, and it's not known whether these 2 are still together. Now, the DJJ released a statement, in part says SC DJJ is working with their partners at SLED and the Lexington County Sheriff's Office to locate the 2 youth who fled from the Three Rivers facility. However, the statement that we got from Three Rivers Behavioral Health Midlands says that they can confirm that Three Rivers has not experienced an elopement and that all patients are safely accounted for. Now, SLED says that these 2 escaped custody back on August 28th. Andrea, as you can imagine, there are a whole host of questions around the situation, including how did these 2 escape, who was responsible for them at the time, and perhaps most importantly, why it took over 2 weeks to alert the public that an escapee with a violent criminal history was on the loose. Now, tonight we've reached out to both Three Rivers and the Department of Juvenile Justice for answers to those questions, and we've invited both to sit down for on-camera interviews. However, both the DJJ and Three Rivers Behavioral Health Midlands have declined our request. Again, law enforcement says that these 2 should not be approached. They are considered dangerous, so if you see them, call 911 immediately. Reporting live in Richland County, Chris English, News 19, WLTX.